Hi guys, hi everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. Today I want to talk about this boy, this Black in Europe's TV or Black in Europe and Bright. Now JJ, let me speak better broken. Now JJ, now we sit down JJ. Now this guy come tell us say no help am, say Bright na him brother. May we subscribe, may we do this one, may we do that, may we do this. But me, I don't dey observe these boys since all this day. This Black in Europe, this boy, this Azan, he get pepper body well. He get pepper body. I call am one day on phone when I dey ask question for him hand. He get how he take react and he get how he take dey answer people if they dey talk. We dey know people where they find money, we dey know people where no dey find money. Now you bring this boy come, say mo will bring am out, mo will help am, mo will subscribe, mo will do this one. And true, God bless am, God bless Bright. Honestly, God really bless that boy. That boy no reach 1 month before he get up to what he's looking for. When he can come out to life, I can go to live on YouTube direct. But I wonder why this boy always dey come out say today he want to talk the evil things wey Black in Europe did, the evil things when he did. He keep person. The boy keep person because me I never see any video when I watch where be say I see the place where this boy come outside say he want talk about Black in Europe. Say this is wetin the boy do, this is what Azan did to am. I no see anything wey happen. Why would they come outside say you want talk about evil wey person dey do? You want talk about which evil? Wetin you know about the evil where you dey shout say you want talk about evil wey person do? My brother, face your life. Face your life. Leave everybody for his own life. Let everybody live in life. Now you come outside tell us say you don't know this YouTube no be with you take the shop. Say you get your own work. And then face your work, face your life. Leave people, live who want to live a fake life. Let them live their fake life. I don't know why today, if they are not doing well on YouTube, so YouTube whether they pay them, they know how they will take cancel their video. They know how they will take arrest anybody who do evil things. Because me, I never see, to God honestly, I never see where that Bright when he for talk against this guy. I never see any video when he for talk against him. But I don't know. My brother, be careful. No easy. I don't say no good. Bright na Ghana, you na Ghana. So brother to brother, I no good men that they expose each other like that. That is the reason why I can't say me I do this small video. So I not do any one of you, I not do anybody's side. So I just say the reason why I do the video because now you bring the boy come. That is why I purposely do this video. Wetin happen? Wetin the boy for talk? Wetin he go do? Now your brother na Ghana, call am, make na settle una matter. Which they say you come talk evil wey person they do. I mean I never see any bad thing where this boy do. The only God know. I don't know whether and I don't fair offend una before, una self before. God will help you settle the matter. That is my own opinion. So I come outside, please. I beg you, Azan, Black in Europe TV. No matter what the Bright do for you, call on your brother. I mean I settle the matter. When I not going to bring una self come public like this, come they expose una self. Please, I beg you. So God will bless you. Anything where you find the coin in Europe, you will see it. And long life for you and Bright, and for me too. Everybody will not die young by the grace of God. You will never cry. Me too, I will never cry. So please, may I settle that matter. God will bless all of you. Thank you.